Welcome to day 26 of your 30-day Repeat After Me Shadowing Challenge. Today, we're tackling the practical side of daily life, talking about chores and responsibilities. These phrases are essential for managing a household, coordinating with family or roommates, and simply discussing your daily tasks. Remember the shadowing technique. Listen carefully to the native speaker, then repeat the phrase during the pause, focusing on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. We'll repeat each phrase multiple times to help you master it. Let's get ready to talk about our daily duties with confidence. Here we go. I need to do the laundry. I need to do the laundry. I need to do the laundry. Have you done the dishes? Have you done the dishes? Have you done the dishes? It's your turn to take out the trash. It's your turn to take out the trash. It's your turn to take out the trash. I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room. I have to clean my room. We need to vacuum the living room. We need to vacuum the living room. We need to vacuum the living room. I'll do the cooking tonight. I'll do the cooking tonight. I'll do the cooking tonight. Can you help me with the groceries? Can you help me with the groceries? Can you help me with the groceries? I have to walk the dog. I have to walk the dog. I have to walk the dog. It's my responsibility to pay the bills. It's my responsibility to pay the bills. It's my responsibility to pay the bills. I need to water the plants. I need to water the plants. I need to water the plants. Did you feed the cat? Did you feed the cat? Did you feed the cat? I have to organize my desk. I have to organize my desk. I have to organize my desk. We need to tidy up the house. We need to tidy up the house. We need to tidy up the house. I'm responsible for. I'm responsible for. I'm responsible for. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. It's my duty to. It's my duty to. It's my duty to. I have a lot on my plate. I have a lot on my plate. I have a lot on my plate. I'm swamped with work. I'm swamped with work. I'm swamped with work. Let's divide the tasks. Let's divide the tasks. Let's divide the tasks. I'll do my part. I'll do my part. I'll do my part. We need to work together. We need to work together. We need to work together. It's a shared responsibility. It's a shared responsibility. It's a shared responsibility. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Consider it done. Consider it done. Consider it done. Excellent work today! You've just completed day 26 of our Repeat After Me shadowing challenge. You practiced talking about daily chores and responsibilities, which are essential for managing your life and communicating effectively in English. Keep practicing these phrases and try to use them when discussing your daily tasks or coordinating with others. The more you use them, the more natural and confident you'll become. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more daily challenges, and let us know in the comments, what's your least favorite chore? Join us tomorrow for day 27, where we'll tackle talking about technology and social media. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.